Organizations need to know how to manage training if they want to stay competitive in the market. The best strategy for enhancing organizational stability is knowledge management. The right cultural environment is already prepared for a system when it is successfully implemented in an organization. Numerous studies have suggested that managers should base operational priorities on their knowledge of these two elements, and that developing organizational strategy ensures the stability of the firm. The relationship between culture and the knowledge management strategy has been debated, based on the significance of the issue. Not to mention, advice was offered for enhancing corporate culture and guaranteeing knowledge management. The degree to which managers and employees are able to recognize and understand an organization's adaptability, mission, consistency, and levels of engagement has an impact on the culture of that organization. In order to assess the effectiveness of organizational culture, numerous models have been put forth. Given that leadership has a significant long-term impact on project deliverables, adherence, and overall organizational outcomes, our efforts have been concentrated on developing a leadership style that is appropriate for a variety of professional situations. The main focus of this evaluation is the Denison Organizational Culture Model. The Denison module's emphasis is on managers' leadership theories and how they significantly influence corporate culture, particularly the process. Corporate culture performance is significantly influenced by leadership style and organizational culture. A key component of a manager's job is influencing people's perceptions and dealing with organizational technological problems. Occupational culture, organizational culture, and leadership style have a big impact on performance. Influencing people's perceptions and resolving organizational technological issues are important aspects of a manager's job. Culture is connected to the setting of a community, where certain things are shared or held in common. One requirement for establishing organizational culture is the interaction of norms, values, and beliefs, along with formal and informal communication. The integration, structural capabilities, behavioral patterns, rituals, and traditions, for instance, can all be used to define an organization's identity. Furthermore, we emphasized how organizational culture cannot thrive without verbal, physical, or emotional interaction. An organization's culture provides a comprehensive representation of its identity and enables it to be categorized with other organizations of a similar nature. The term interorganizational subculture refers to a group's capacity to accept various subcultures within its various divisions. We also stressed how difficult it is for an organizational culture to endure without verbal, physical, or emotional engagement. Organizational culture provides a comprehensive portrait of an organization's identity and allows for comparison with other companies with comparable missions. An organization is said to have an interorganizational subculture if it can accept different subcultures within its different divisions. Organizations have increased their overall organizational effectiveness in response to changing environments, challenges, and uncertainties, but they have encountered many obstacles along the way. Poor organizational culture and a lack of assessment were found to be the main contributors to poor organizational performance and associated issues. We questioned whether organizational culture could actually have such a significant influence on the sector's growth. However, research has shown that some performance factors do, in fact, have a relationship with organizational culture. In addition to providing competitive advantages, coordination, control, commitment, involvement, and dedication. These factors also lessened uncertainty and conflict. The definition and development of behavior are both influenced by organizational culture, according to consensus. There are many different aspects to the connection between organizational success and organizational culture. The emphasis is on effectiveness measurement, which assesses an organization's worth and effectiveness in light of these factors. All conceivable metrics of effectiveness have been provided using a variety of organizational effectiveness indicators. We came up with two major categories. The first categorizes effectiveness criteria according to the importance placed on discretion and flexibility, and the second categorizes them according to the importance placed on stability and control. Finally, Consumer Trading Organization Limited will continue to host additional concepts.